Hey there, it's Thilo from the Parashift product team, and today we'll have a look at some quick tips around the lists in Parashift, especially if you're working with batches and documents. So let's jump right in. First things first, any list, be it now this document list, or you can also obviously just filter for classification, separation, or extraction, but let's stay in the overview. You can always switch to a more expert mode where you then also have some detailed information like the current workflow step, tenant ID, or the document ID. Personally, I like to work just in the standard view. You can always hover over the documents to get a little preview of what was processed. You can also hover over the name, change the name, click the name to copy the document ID into your clipboard. You can also put tags directly in here. Overall, obviously, searching and filtering, very cool. Some smaller things that I personally like a lot is just marking a couple of documents to do bulk actions like reclassifying documents or resetting them or copying them. And then if you want to work with the documents or have a look at them, you can just either click this button, but then, well, it opens the document. Then you have to go back to the list view, and that can be a little bit of a hassle if you don't want to do it one by one. There's also the possibilities in other lists to open the serial mode where you can look at one or the other. But I just like to go to the button, and now you can do a right click and open this in a new tab, and you can do that for a bunch of documents. This is already very fast, but now here's a pro tip which works in nearly every browser. I'm using Edge, but it also works in Chrome and others. You can also press your middle mouse button, and we try to have every button in the platform support this. So let's close the tabs again. And if you just want to have a quick look at these documents, you can also go and basically middle mouse button through them and quickly open tabs for all of them. And then you can jump through this and have a look at all the data, which is very, very quick. So this is a very niche pro tip, middle mouse button on a button to open it in a new tab. By the way, this works with any kind of link in the browser, but especially useful to have a look at a lot of documents in quick succession. So, hope you found something useful, and yeah, happy to see you next time. Bye-bye.